my channel. It's me, BrittanyBearMakeup. As you guys can see, I'm in my new setup, my new makeup studio. I am so excited to be finally filming here and changing it up for you guys. I have a lot of amazing tutorials coming your way. Today's video, I'm using nothing but Huda beauty products. Also guys, I'm so excited because I decided since it is the holidays, I'm going to be doing a giveaway almost in every single video that I post. So you're going to be getting a Huda beauty palette as well as a pair of lashes. All you guys have to do is watch this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram to enter. And good luck, guys. Let's dive into today's tutorial.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch. So first step is my eye primer. I use P. Louise on my eyes, as you guys can see. Now I'm using Mercury Retrograde. I'm so excited for this, guys. This palette is stunning. So I'm going into the shade Libra, and I'm applying this to the crease of my eye. As you guys can see, it's like super pigmented and it blends out really nice. So I'm just gonna blend it upward and bippity boppity bam. Now picking up the shade Momentum, I'm using this on my brow bone and I'm blending the two colors out. It is so pretty, guys. It's like honestly the perfect transition shade to just make everything nice and blended. Now I am cutting the crease. I'm using that same eyeshadow based primer just to create a nice barrier for the shadow I'm putting on top. Going into the palette, I'm using the shade Ultraviolet. It is so pretty, guys. It has so many different reflexes in it, like pinks, purples, silvers, and I'm applying this with my finger onto the lid. I went ahead and kind of dabbled into like two different brushes just to get the best application, but I really love how it turned out. As you guys can see, I'm definitely feeling myself. So next up, I wanted a little pizzazz, so I added Nebula on top, which really just added some beautiful sparkles and enhanced the eye look. Okay, primer time, guys. This is a matte primer from Huda, which I really love because it makes my makeup stay on all day. Do not apply your primer like the way I'm doing because this definitely is probably not good for my skin, but it works and it's amazing. So I'm picking up my foundation, obviously Huda, and a stipple brush, and I'm going to be applying this onto my skin. I'm using the shade Toasted Coconut, and I'm applying this basically everywhere I need that extra full coverage. As you guys can see, I definitely went with like a darker shade of foundation to match the rest of my body, and I'm going to lighten it up with concealer after. So now it's concealer time, my favorite part. I'm taking the concealer from Huda, and this is in the shade Cookie Dough, and applying it to my under eyes as well as the bridge of my nose, my chin, my mustache area, and I'm blending it in. You guys, this concealer is super creamy, and I love it because it doesn't crease under my eyes. So I highly recommend trying it out because you guys will be obsessed with how flawless you look. So now I'm using my Tantour, and this is basically like the perfect contour shade for me. It is in the shade Light, and I'm using this to sculpt out my cheekbones and the rest of my face to really just make it all blend in with the rest of my body. I'm definitely super tan right now, so I want to make sure that everything is nice and cohesive with the rest of me. So I'm taking that stipple brush and I am blending it all in. And I'm really just keeping the definition there and making me look extra fly. Okay, it is baking time, guys, and I'm not talking about those chocolate chip cookies. It is time to use the Huda Banana Baking Powder. I love this powder so much because of how finely milled it is, and I placed it on all the areas I want to mattify, so basically just, you know, typical, the whole face. And then I go in with none other than Hoola bronzer, you guys already know. I'm using this to sculpt out and warm up the rim of my face as well as my cheekbones and basically just give me more definition to my face. So I'm going to be contouring my nose using my Morphe contouring brushes, and you guys can tell like this is gonna transform me in a 3, 2, 1. Hello! Oh my god, the drastic difference. It's pretty insane, guys. So going back into that same Huda palette, I'm gonna be using that Libra color as well as another cranberry color from the palette to just kind of smoke it out and just make everything look nice and cohesive. So I'm gonna be cheating on Huda for a minute and using my Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. I'm applying this to my lips, and then I'm topping it off with one of my favorite lipsticks from Huda. It's called Joyride. It is the perfect pinkish nude. It looks so gorgeous on the lips. So I felt like I needed blush, and I don't think Huda actually has blushes, so I kind of cheated again and went with Joyride and applied this to the apples of my cheek to warm up the look. So now I'm going to use her highlighter palette. So excited for this. I'm taking Seashells, Fiji, and Tahiti. Can you guys see how gorgeous this looks? It like melts in your skin and it looks like butter. So I'm applying it on all the areas of my face to finish off the skin portion. So to finish off this look, I took some more natural lashes from Huda, and these are Olivia, and I'm placing this onto my lashes to finish off this look. Alright guys, so this concludes today's video. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys. I'm honestly so obsessed with how it turned out. Like, this eyeshadow is everything right now. It's super, super cute, and it's, I don't know, it's like pastel, but it doesn't look tacky. So I'm a huge fan of it. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I do want to give my post notification shout out to my girl, Marisol Savendra. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on. If you guys want a shout out, all you guys have to do is turn them on and comment when done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye guys.